Is your PC running slower than usual? Apps taking forever to open, your browser freezing, or your laptop getting stuck while doing simple tasks? Before you think about buying a new one, there's actually a free solution that might bring it back to life. It's called Microsoft PC Manager, and you can find it at pcmanager.microsoft.com. Yes, it's official, made by Microsoft, completely free and incredibly easy to use. Once you install it, the app scans your entire system for junk files, background processes, and performance bottlenecks. It also checks for potential security issues and startup programs that slow down your boot time. One of the best features is the Boost button. With just one click, it frees up RAM, clears temporary files, and ends unnecessary tasks running in the background. You'll instantly notice a smoother experience when opening apps or switching between tasks. Plus, you can easily disable startup apps that you don't need, which will make your PC start up much faster. Another cool thing. It even has a built-in malware scanner powered by Microsoft Defender, just in case something shady is running without your knowledge. So before spending money on upgrades or a new laptop, try Microsoft PC Manager. It might save you a ton and give your old device a second life. Check it out today and thank me later. And hey, if you love simple tech tips like this, make sure to follow or subscribe for more.